Hey there, this is Razatar, and I'm launching a new playlist on learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript all together for beginner manners. And the logic behind logic behind the launching this new playlist is to learn via coding. And if you code alongside me, it will help you to become a better programmer and developer. The first project that we're going to do is to-do list app. This is a simple cliche that every other programmer that wants to become a programmer start doing, and this is the first project that they're going to do. But in this to-do list app, we're going to learn DOM manipulation, event listeners, and local storage handling. And we're going to its features are adding, deleting, marking as complete, and save task or to-dos in the local storage. We're going to build our mini database of the to-dos and store it in the local storage. For the second app, and let me just tell you something. For after finishing the first project, for initializing the first project, I'm going and all the codes will be available on my GitHub repository, and all the designs would be available also in the GitHub repository. So at the beginning of the app, we have the designs, and you also have the designs. You have access to the designs if you want to, and you can start doing it till the video is ready. The videos should be weekly. We have 5 projects to do, so that would be 5 weeks of work, but you can access to the designs even if the video is not ready yet. So I'm going to upload the designs before doing the project myself. The second project that we're going to do is the weather app. We're going to use the weather API like OpenWeather. We're going to practice fetching, JSON parsing, and displaying dynamic data, and we're going to learn about API callings and showing the data to the user on the browser. The third one is quiz app, multiple choices questions with score tracking. We're going to learn about arrays, objects, and conditional renderings. If you also follow my channel for the YouTube shorts that I've been making recently, it's all about beginner-friendly tutorials on JavaScript. And we're going to cover a lot of these in the short tutorials also, but these videos are fully invested in the project itself. The fourth one is digital clock, stopwatch, timer, practice working with date, set interval, and DOM updates and DOM manipulations. Add, start, stop, and reset functionality to the feature of this project. And for the last project, we're going to build a personal portfolio website. We're going to showcase our projects and add a little bio. And throughout this project, we're going to learn about flexbox designs and grids and navigation bars and smooth scrolling. So that's it. That's a wrap for this video. I hope to see you soon. Subscribe to me and click on the bell notification to get the latest update on my channel. Yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.